So this video is regarding the CMA December exams preparation strategy. Even if you are a CMA final student or CMA inter student, both of you can happily watch. So definitely this will be helping you in order to plan your CMA inter preparation for the December. Now, first of all, let us understand how much time that we are left with. Like this is going to be a similar video how I make for CA inter students. So this is exclusively for CMA students. So I'm recording this in the 4th week of July 2023 and I hope very recently you have completed the exam. Okay, your seniors or might be you. Okay, and I hope you have performed well in the exam. I pray that whatever the result that you deserve, you should get it. Okay, and all the very best. If at all any of you who wrote single group and planning for this, or if at all any of you who did not perform well but now want to perform in the upcoming December better, what are the certain important techniques or tips that you should follow so that you can give the best? Now, you are having roughly, I can say, or I can say more accurately, 900 hours. Yeah, accurately also you can consider. This is 900 hours is the practical time that you are having for December exams. For your information, December 1st onwards, I will not consider. So, the period which I consider is only from August 1st to 30th November, 4 months period, where we are having 122 days. And remember, in the second half of the calendar year, we generally have many festivals. So 22 days, whether it is Sundays or festivals, whatever, I kept aside as a safety margin. So technically speaking, you are having only 100 days in your hand. Every day you can productively study minimum 9 hours. This is minimum. If at all you are having a capacity of more than 9 hours, very good. But remember, when I say number of hours of study, I only mean productive hours. I don't mean how many hours you sit on the books, how many hours you sit on the table or chair, whatever, doesn't matter. Getting it? How many hours you are sitting is not important. How many hours you are studying is important. And according to me, 9 to 10 hours only anybody can productively study. Getting it? So this is the time that you are having. Totally 900 hours you are having. And within this 900 hours, what we can do, like one common question which again CMS students, just like CS students ask me is, sir, should I write both the groups or single group? I always tell everybody this advice. First, initially plan one group. Initially target one group. I am not asking you to pay exam fee for one group. Pay both the groups. But first, take one group. Within that group, finish all the subjects preparation and do one B. See, we generally do cumulative revision. So don't worry, I'll be explaining you in brief how cumulative revision works. Getting it? So first take one group, study simultaneously not more than 2 subjects. This is what I recommend. If at all you are preparing, like some students know what they do is, they take all the 8 subjects. 1 hour accounts, another hour law, another hour taxation, another hour O&M, another hour SM. Like this, they split entire 8 hours or 9 hours in a day into 6 to 8 subjects, which is absolutely wrong. No, don't prepare more than 2 subjects at a time. If you select 2 subjects, take 2 subjects, finish those 2 subjects preparation completely, done, then take remaining 2. I'll be guiding you slowly in this video clearly how to select these subjects, all that. Getting it? So first mentally prepare that first your target is to finish one group syllabus. Once you finish one group syllabus completely thoroughly and you're very confident, look at how much time still that is left. If at all the time left is more than 300 hours, if at all the time left after finishing one group is more than 300 hours, then plan for another group. By the way, if at all you are already a CA student, already gave CA inter attempt, and now you are writing CMA inter, this video will not apply for you because majority of the syllabus you might have already covered. Majority, I mean 60% of the syllabus. Within CMA inter, 50 to 60% is only common in CA inter. Rest 30 to 40% is completely new in the CMA inter. Getting it? Example, by the way, I am making this video considering 2022 syllabus. I am not considering 2016. In fact, I don't even have much idea on 2016 syllabus because we provide coaching to CMS students only on 2022 syllabus. Getting it? As per 22 syllabus, we are having 8 papers. One is paper 5 law, 100 marks. Financial accounting 100 marks. Taxation where DD and IDT 50 marks each. Cost accountancy or cost accounting 100 marks. O&M 60 marks. And strategic management 40 marks. Corporate accounting and auditing both put together 50-50 each, 100 marks. Financial management 80 and data analytics 20 and management accounting, which is again 100. Now within CMA exclusively O&M will come. Getting it? Auditing will slightly change. Analytics is something new. Management accounting, more than many topics are completely new. And in corporate accounting, few topics are new. Getting it? And in IDT and DT, few topics were completely new. In law, entire allied laws are different. Getting it? Only company law is 30 marks portion is there. So except that entire remaining allied laws is completely different from CA Inter. Approximately I can say 70 marks syllabus is different. So typically speaking, 50% of the CA Inter syllabus only continued in CMA. And some students think if at all CA coaching is completed, CMA coaching is not required, which is wrong. Getting it? See, there are two ways in order to achieve success in exam. One, do self-preparation, which is best. On any day you ask me, self-preparation is best method of preparation. Why? Because, and in fact, that is fastest method of preparation also. No, many don't know that. Many are not aware that self-preparation takes lots of time. No, if you take coaching, after coaching, if you prepare, revise, exams, that only takes longer time. If you directly do prepare on your own, it takes very lesser time. But the student should have lots of courage. What is required in self-preparation is courage and belief in yourself. If at all you are not confident on yourself, somehow you want some guidance, especially I cannot risk with self-preparation, I definitely want some trustworthy, we are there for you. Shrestha is there for you. Getting it? So you can happily enroll onto our website. We have a course. You can directly go to shresthaforcacma.com. These are the courses that we are offering for CMA students. We have regular course, means 6 months package each group. We have subscription model, which is month-wise package. If you buy particular group 2 times, third time is free. Suppose group 1 subscription, you took 2 months. Third month is free for you. Getting it? Anyhow, so let me go back to what I'm trying to tell. So don't choose more than one group. Most important thing, do not choose more than one group. Getting it? First finish it off. Once everything is completed, then focus on the other group. Now within this one group, target minimum 70% syllabus. By the way, there is something called ABC analysis which is circulating even in CMA. I don't know why when this has been started. Don't go with the ABC approach at all. What I will suggest is, suppose you take paper 6, financial accounting. Suppose paper 6 is having, let us assume 20 chapters. Straight away, prepare only 15 chapters. Don't prepare 5 chapters at all. Prepare these 15 chapters thoroughly, the best. Within these 15 chapters, don't even skip single concept. No, not at all. You must prepare entire 15 chapters. We call this approach as 2/3 approach, which we recommend for CA Inter students also. Getting it? And believe me, this approach is really beautiful. This works every time. Okay, so 15 chapters you have to study, if at all 20. If at all 15 were there, 11 chapters. If at all 25 were there, some 18 chapters you have to study. Like that, you identify 2/3. Now some students ask me, sir, which chapters we can ignore? That you should decide. But ideally what I will tell you is, those chapters that take longer time to complete, those chapters that take long time to complete, select them, keep it aside. Rest all other chapters you 100% study without even ignoring single concept. Getting it? You do like that, definitely if you study minimum 2/3 in each subject, one group, you can easily complete within 2.5 to 3.5 months. Suppose if at all you have not at all started preparation for CMA, now only after watching this video you want to start seriously for the December attempt, I'm telling you, straight away take our subscription course for CMA. Getting it? 2 times you buy, hardly some 10,000 rupees. Okay, plus books is some 3,000 rupees around. So third month we will give you free. 3 months you stick listening to the classes. Getting it? Once in a month, what happens is, once if you take 1 month, take 1 week to 10 days gap. Don't subscribe. Take 10 days gap. Revise whatever you learned within this 1 month. Then take second time. Then finish it off. Then take again 10 days gap. Then use our coupon and buy third time and finish. Again, last 15-20 days, you prepare, revise properly. Believe me, you are going to clear CMA exams very, very easily. Today, we are not doing any direct marketing yet. We are not doing telecalling. We are not doing, we are not giving bulk SMS and all. We just upload video like this, strategy videos, guidance videos, revision videos, all this. Just by looking at these, students are enrolling into our courses. And after that, the kind of mouth publicity which they give, that is what bringing us many admissions. Getting it? Why Digital is raised as stands at #1 position is only because of the content quality that we provide. Getting it? So there are some who don't even understand what is content quality. They only think in trend analysis, that analysis, this analysis. Don't even think about that. Getting it? We guide you truly how you can crack the exam in a safest approach. Getting it? So that is one important thing. So first, choose one group, target 70% syllabus in each subject, and prepare that. Now, while preparing, you must do cumulative revision. While preparing only, you must do cumulative revision. So what is cumulative revision? What is cumulative revision? Like suppose today you started financial accounting. Some 3 chapters, like 1 chapter completed. 1 chapter you prepared completely. Now you want to start 2nd chapter. Before starting 2nd chapter, once you go through the entire chapter, what I learned in this 1st chapter, what concepts were there, what are the technical tricky problems where I confused while learning. So identify, revise them once, then go to the 2nd chapter. Once 2nd chapter is completed, before starting 3rd chapter, continue with revise once again 1 and 2. Once again 1 and 2. Completed 3rd chapter. Before going 4th, revise 1, 2, 3. Revise 1, 2, 3. Remember, first time when you are revising, it takes 1 hour to revise 1 chapter. Second time, if you are revising the same chapter, it will not take 1 hour, it takes 20 minutes. Third time when you are revising the same chapter, it takes 5 to 10 minutes only. Why? Because you are becoming perfect by every revision. Getting it? Remember, if you do not revise like this cumulatively, you will forget the subject after you prepare the subject. Now, by the way, 4th chapter also done. 5th chapter you are starting. Ignore 1. 2, 3, 4 you revise. 6th chapter. 3, 4, 5 you revise and then start 6. 7th chapter. 4, 5, 6 you start and then go for 7. This is called cumulative revision technique. More clearly, what is cumulative revision? I have made a specific video 1.5 to 2 years back on my YouTube. Just search on YouTube caramharsha space cumulative revision. You will find a video, old video. You just watch it. You will realize how important revision, cumulative revision is. Getting it? So that's it. So that's about cumulative revision. So follow this cumulative revision technique. Then now some students, now in CMA also very recently, test series revision exams concept has been started by many. Getting it? Don't go for that. ICMA mock test papers you write, revision test papers, whatever they are giving, CMA Institute, that alone you write. First focus on preparation. First study properly, then give a mock test. That will give you a proper testing. That will make you to test yourself properly. Getting it? And don't use multiple resources. First of all, for CMA, there are not many resources available on the YouTube. Okay, but still there are many resources. Compared to CA Inter, it might be less, but there are many resources which are confusing the student. Choose one mentor. Choose one particular thing. Again, mentor means don't go for mentorship. Getting it? You must have your own discipline. You must have, how many students have asked me to start mentorship after watching my so many strategy guidance videos, all that, but still have not started. Why? Because essentially motivation should come from inside. Your problem should be like a motivation for you. What we can do, I can wake you up early in the morning. Getting it? I can give you some nice boost up messages, all that every day. But remember, in real life, nobody can mentor you. Getting it? You must realize your problems, your dreams should chase you. You should chase your dreams and they should chase you. Getting it? Your struggles will chase you. You chase your dreams. Getting it? So please stick with one particular mentor. If at all you want to follow my guidance videos, I am making for CA Inter. Now I am starting for CM Inter also. I'll be frequently making some sort of guidance tips, all that. Getting it? Please watch these particular videos whenever I upload. Definitely you will be getting a decent idea. Getting it? So remember, relatively compared to CA Inter, CMA syllabus is very high, but the standard of paper is bit easy compared to CA. Getting it? So you need not put so much of stress for preparation. Getting it? But while we are making our classes, we don't even thought what is exam standard. No, first give the best to the student. We are giving coaching for the student, not just for exams. but for his life. Getting it? Lifetime you will have that understanding. Once you understood any subject properly, that's a lifetime gift for you. Getting it? Wherever you go, your understanding, your analysis makes an impact. You can make a significant impact, wherever you go. So whether you are a CMA inter student or final student, follow these tips and definitely you will you will succeed very well. Getting it? If at all any of you are looking for coaching classes, just go through our website, rest of a CA CMA. You can place order for books as well as classes. CMA final we have not yet started, but we are planning to start within the next 4 to 6 months. So we are on a serious note on that. But what I believe is, first we made ourselves very, very, very strong in CA inter. Then we made ourselves CA final audit. Getting it? You know very well how strong, our mouth publicity, especially my class, CA final audit. Now we are making very, very strong impact on CMA inter. Then once we achieve this best, once we prove that we are best, then I'll focus on CMA final. That's it. So this is how my agenda is going to be. Okay, so that's it. I hope I have covered all the points. So if at all you're having any queries, you put it as a comment on the, you just give your comment below and I will go through all the comments over a period of time. After that, I'll make a video combining all these questions. Getting it? So technically, I am admitting till date, we have not dealt with many CMA students. Somewhere around February or March, we have started CMA. Some 120 or 130 students only enrolled, not 150 around. Okay, so the subscription model, regular, subject wise, whatever. Getting it? Now only 2022 syllabus, very recently exam was conducted. Now only many students are enrolling into Sreshta. So now only I'm interacting more with the CMA students also. So exactly what are the general queries CMA students face generally? I do not have that much grip, but I'm telling you, definitely better than competitors. I'm having, decent command over what are the students' queries. Okay, but still, I just would like to learn. What are your doubts? What are your whatever things? You just put it as a comment. I will make a video next time considering all these comments made by you. Okay, have a nice time. All the very best.